Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2023 Chevrolet Camaro, wondering where each fuse is placed, or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Camaro. Engine compartment fuse block. The 2023 Chevrolet Camaro's engine compartment fuse block is positioned near the engine bay, providing protection for critical systems like the engine and cooling. It contains fuses and relays that manage essential engine functions, ensuring smooth operation. Rear compartment fuse block. The 2023 Chevrolet Camaro's rear compartment fuse block is located in the trunk for easy access. It houses essential fuses for rear electrical components. This setup ensures proper function and easy maintenance of key systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. Stay informed on the road with the advanced instrument cluster and warning indicator lights, ensuring a safer driving experience. Keep your dashboard in check for a smooth ride ahead. Thanks for watching.